Today we're going to start by preheating the oven to 350. We're going to get 2 baking sheets together and we're going to put parchment paper sized for the cookie sheets. And we're going to put those aside. So make sure to get all your ingredients together beforehand. We have the flour mixture here, which has the salt, the cornstarch, and the baking soda and the flour. And then we are going to put that aside after we mix it. In a mixing bowl with either a KitchenAid mixer or a hand mixer, we're going to add the softened butter, the sugars, and we're going to put it on medium speed or so for about 2 minutes. And it will cream them together. When it gets to a pale color, we're going to turn it off. And we are going to then add the vanilla extract and an egg. We're going to again put it on medium and we're going to let it incorporate for about 30 seconds. Next up, we're going to add the dry ingredients. And let it mix in until just done. Just incorporated. Make sure not to overwork the dough. And use a spatula and get the remainder off the side so we can just mix it a little bit more. Next up, we're going to fold in the chocolate chips. I have a mixture of chocolate chips here, but you can use whatever kind you like. We're going to pop it into the freezer for about 10 minutes or so, just to get it chilled. All right, we're going to start rolling the balls out. They're going to be about 1 inch or so. I'm just going to grab a chunk at a time. So we have all of them made out. We got 18 cookies out of this batch. And you can put in some chocolate chips on top if you want to give it a little more chocolatiness to it. We're going to take this and pop them in for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350.